Hi guys, my name is Ellie, welcome to my channel, and today I want to test a hair mask, which is why my hair looks so fancy. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I tried to check because I feel like I've reviewed a Briogeo product on here, and I thought maybe it was this mask, and I just somehow got another copy because this is a sample. But I can't find it, so if I did, and you can find it, you can let me know in the comments. But if maybe I filmed it and didn't edit it and post it, I don't know. But this is a in the shower mask type thing. So you're supposed to shampoo your hair, then you're supposed to massage this from root to tip and leave it in for 10 minutes before rinsing it out. You can also put your hair in a plastic cap and then sit it under for 20 minutes if you want like the heat of your scalp to kind of like cook the mask deeper into your follicle and make your hair even happier. Which I don't know if I'm going to do the full cap, but I generally leave these on for closer to 20 minutes just because my hair is very processed, which I braid it back when I'm sleeping because, you know, it's getting long, but now you can see it. It's doing a little better, but it is still extremely processed. This hair has been bleached a lot. Like, really, really bleached. It's still got the leftover bits of the toner I was using. Now that I'm growing it out, I want to do a lot. I was already doing a lot to make sure that it was as soft and healthy as I can make it. But you can also see that there are pieces where the damage has made it kind of just snap off. And my roots are, you know, getting long. So, hair masks. And anytime I try a new one, I'm going to try and involve you guys so we can see how it does on my processed hair, and then we'll probably still do them when I grow all that out, because once I grow it all out, I want to perm it, because I feel like I always have to be doing something with my hair, and there's a lot of options, and only so much time to try all the different things you might want to try on your hair. I am going to go shampoo and rub the conditioning mask into my fluffy, dry, processed hair. And then I'll come show you guys what it looks like on my hair, which I'm assuming it's clear. All the Briogeo products I've used in the past have been clear. Actually, we can find out. Got a little safety seal. Ooh, no. It's a white cream. So, put it in my hair, come show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna stop dropping stuff and go take a shower. Hair mask is in and my hair is up. Yeah, it spread out really, really nicely, very evenly throughout my hair. Felt very thick and buttery, but like in a good way, that like I feel like it's gonna really moisturize my hair. I'm gonna let it sit for, oh, that's so, there we go. I'm gonna let it sit for like 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes, and then I'll go wash it out and show you how my hair looks at the end of the shower and how it feels, and then we'll check in after it's dried. My hair looks awesome. So, it is washed out. I've had my hair up in a little like hair towel turban. So it's been towel dried. I'm gonna put the products I've been using in it, which are, ooh. The Gliss Hair Repair Ultra Moisture Conditioner. It's a spray leave-in conditioner. And then I put this OGX Argan Oil on like the bottom half and the tips. So, I'm gonna do that. It did rinse out easily. There was no like stickiness or anything. It did also feel like it left a lot of that moisture still in the strand. So, I'm optimistic, but I'm gonna go do that. And then we'll have it air dry, and I will show you guys what it looks like. And, oh look, my hair's dry. So, it is fully dried, feeling happy, feeling soft, very easy to run my fingers through, which is one of the things that I've been dealing with is, since the bottom of my hair is even more processed than like the mid to the top, I can tell when it needs some extra care when like the ends are tangling together more than normal. Which, as you can see, this is air-dried, straight as fuck hair. My hair doesn't do anything, so when it does tangle on itself and make knots, I know something's wrong and it needs some extra care, because my hair has no texture, no nothing. It just is very, very straight. So it shouldn't really be catching on itself or tangling very much at all, because when my hair is unprocessed, I don't even really have to comb it. I just kind of part it and it just falls down, which is one of the reasons, once my hair has grown out all the processed bits, I'm gonna perm it to get some texture and some wave happening. But yeah, it's very shiny, it's very soft. The edges look like they're laying down a lot more flatter. That's another thing that I notice when my hair is really not doing well with the processing, is when the ends kind of poof, because they're raggedy. But yeah, I quite like this. I don't know, since I got a sample, so I'm just gonna keep playing with my hair. Yeah, I got that mask through a sample, so I don't know what it costs, but I will have it in the description to see what it costs. I've had really good luck with some decently mid to low priced hair masks, so I don't always get the higher end ones, but oh, one little. We just do that, and then there's no more snag. So yeah, I think this is very good for my hair. My hair feels much better. I know you guys had the comparison of my hair rolling out of bed versus, regular, but this is a lot more sleek than my hair has been the last couple weeks. I appreciate it. I think this is a nice mask if you're looking for more moisture and shine, sleekness. I'm gonna stop playing with my hair and let you guys go. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Let me know if you have any other masks you want me to try. I'm willing to try more. I'm using a lot of masks to make sure that my hair looks like hair and not straw, because it's very bleached. So bleached. And recovering. Because like this section right here is my natural hair. And you can just see it's even freshly washed and shampooed. It's got a lot of shine. It's got a lot of slip. It just... shoop. And I'm excited to have that back and then mess with it some more. Let me know if you have any specific masks you'd like to see me test out, or any just suggestions about things that you are doing to help with the potentially damaged hair you have. Let me know. I will see you guys next time.